Okay, for 72, they want us to graph these two lines. So the first one, let me see, I'll do the first one in red, right? So it's 2/3 x minus 1, so it has a -1, or it looks like it's this line that's already drawn. I should do it in green. So positive 2/3 x, so no, it isn't. So up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's this line, right? 2/3 up to over 3. Okay, so it looks like this. Not sure what the green line is yet. Maybe it's the second equation. Let's see. And so that's the first equation. The second equation I'll graph in blue. Let's see, blue, right? Okay. So this one we can easily get the x and y intercepts, right? Not easily, but if I substitute in 0 for x, I get -3y equals 3. So y equals -1. So the y-intercept is at -1, which is here. And then another point I could get is if I put a 0 in for y, so I'd get 2x equals 3. So x equals 3/2. So the x-intercept is at 3/2, 1.5, right? Which is here. Oh, so it's the same line. So if I graph that, it's going to go over top, right, the other line. So it says, make a table and graph. What do you notice? I notice they're the same line. And therefore, if I was going to solve this as a system, it would be infinitely many solutions. But what I notice is that they're the same line. They overlap each other.